St. Patrick was here in 433 and lit that fire, and the druid on Tara Hill opposite saw it. It was forbidden, it was for the High King to light that fire at that time of year. And he said, if that fire remains kindled until dawn, it will never be put out. And the king was not amused. However, St. Patrick, with the grace of God, converted the said druid, became the first bishop of the area. And Patrick went on, and actually in 450 he founded the monastery in Duleek, and there St. Keenan carried on his work until 489 when he died. These are the acres trodden by the saints of God who gave us the faith in the Emerald Isle. We hand over the future, therefore, of this isle to St. Patrick, asking for his intercession and protection. As it happens, tomorrow, when the question of having or not having the use of his church down at the bottom of the hill will be discussed by the bishop. Slane is an important part of our history. Here, the fire was lit. Nothing happens by chance. And of course, St. Patrick was one of our own. When he was passing through Glyn Rossin, Menevia, the present St. David's, he was told, this is to be for another saint after you, and he carried on. He was caught in a storm at sea one day and made a vow that if he got out of that alive, he would build a church wherever he landed. And he kept his vow and built the church which is at Llanbadrig on Anglesey. It was originally of wood, but then they built it in stone, and it's still standing solidly, looked after, of course, by the Anglicans who have all the old churches. The tradition is continuous, and there is no smoke without fire. When there's a name change, something has happened. We only have a short time to work for the Lord, and so it is well to do as the Romans did before, the principle of carpe diem, snatch the day. As Cliff Richard sang, tomorrow, why wait until tomorrow? For tomorrow sometimes never comes. So let's live, love, while the flame is strong, for we may not be the young ones very long. Remember, friend, as you pass by, said one tomb, as you are now, so once was I. As I am now, you will also be. So prepare yourself to follow me. There is yet time to stand upon a rhyme and look upon the moments yet to be. There is a stillness between each heavy chime that holds its clap at bay. For history has power to be rewrit ere it be born, and moments over moments have a say ere they join others neath a burned dawn that came and went as but a heedless day. O Master of the chronicle unseen, unread, unheard. What word dost thou discern? And what small caused cause shall once have been the cause of archives, aeons shall learn. We splash an hour upon this pond, and ripples go for air to the beyond. Ego sum resurrectio et vita, qui credit in me, et siam sepultus fuerit vivit, et omnis qui vivit et credit in me, non morietur in aeternum. Requiem aeternam dona eis Domine, et lux perpetua lucio Deis, requiescant in pace. Amen.